In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add and edit quick links in Shopify footer. Quick links in the footer are usually controlled by a navigation menu in Shopify. When you update that menu, your footer links update as well, as long as your theme is using that menu in the footer area. To begin, sign into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store and then select Navigation. This is where Shopify stores all the menus used across your store, including header menus and footer menus. Once you are on the navigation page, look for the menu named Footer Menu. Some stores may use a different name depending on how the theme was set up. The important thing is to open the menu that is assigned to your footer. Click the menu name to open it and view the list of existing links. If you want to edit a link that is already there, find the item you want to change and click Edit next to it. From here, you can update the link text, which is the title customers will see in the footer. You can also update where the link goes, which is the destination. For example, you might switch it from one page to another, point it to a collection, or adjust an external URL. A helpful tip is to keep link names short and clear so the footer stays clean and easy to scan. If you want to add a brand new quick link, click Add Menu Item. Enter a name for the link, such as a policy page or an informational page title. Then choose what the link should connect to. You can select an existing Shopify page, a collection, or paste in an external URL if you need the link to go outside your store. Take a moment to confirm the destination is correct, since a small mistake in a URL can lead to a broken link. When you are finished making your edits or additions, click Save Menu. This final step is important, because your changes will not appear on your storefront until the menu is saved. And that is all there is to it.